Proper cleaning and disinfection of your AccuCARE Stepper device is essential for the safety of your staff and patients. In this video, I will walk through the steps to reprocess the AccuCARE Stepper equipment. If you have the EX3 stepper, disassembly is required before disinfection to protect the encoder. If you have the Classic or the Multi-Purpose Workstation stepper, you do not need to disassemble the device. For disassembly, there are two different types of the EX3 stepper posterior sections. One with a lock tab to enclose the encoder, and one with a hole screw. We will use the lock tab version for this video. To disassemble the EX3 stepper, loosen the top screws and the back lock tab to remove the top cover. Do not fully remove the screws, but if they do come out, simply replace them before cleaning. Next, rotate the stepper 180 degrees. Then loosen the bottom hole screws to remove the bottom cover. Pull the location lock finger and rotate the unit to remove the posterior section containing the electrical components. Once the electrical component is removed from the EX3 stepper, the equipment is ready for cleaning. Prepare your enzymatic detergent using the detergent's manufacturer's instructions for use. If your facility chooses to use a different cleaning solution than Enzol, it will be your responsibility to validate its effectiveness. Immerse the stepper in the enzymatic detergent for 3 minutes. Brush the stepper within the detergent for 1 minute. Dispose of the detergent following the solution's IFU. You may dispose by pouring out of the container you used to clean the stepper, emptying the sink where the soaking occurred, or by utilizing a disposal pump. Prepare fresh enzymatic detergent and immerse the stepper for an additional 3 minutes. Dispose of the detergent a second time, again following the solution's IFU. Rinse the stepper under tap water for 50 to 60 seconds. Dry the stepper with a clean, lint-free cloth. An air hose may be used to remove water from the stepper's crevices if needed. A special note for the EX3 stepper posterior section only, which includes the top and bottom covers and the movement knob. Wipe all surfaces, crevices, and grooves with isopropyl alcohol wipes to remove visible contaminants until visibly wet, using 7 wipes total. After cleaning, to disinfect, allow surfaces to remain wet for 2 minutes. Use additional wipes if necessary to ensure wet contact time. Allow surfaces to air dry. To disinfect the stepper, thoroughly wet the visible surfaces with the isopropyl alcohol wipes. Make sure the surfaces remain wet for at least 2 minutes for disinfection. Use additional wipes if needed for the device to remain wet. Allow the surfaces to air dry. If you have the EX3 stepper, you will need to reassemble the device. Rotate the stepper unit to connect the posterior section to the anterior section. Engage the lock finger. Attach the top and bottom covers to the encoder. Tighten the hold screws and ensure the USB cord is aligned with the notch in the cover. Prior to each use of your stepper device, perform the following checks to ensure optimal performance after cleaning and disinfection. Rotate the movement knob, cradle, and grid rail locking knobs to ensure movement through the full range of linear rotation travel. If parts do not move freely, apply a lubricant that complies with your facility's protocols. Contact Civco for more information about reprocessing your AccuCARE equipment or for cleaning and disinfection solutions.